Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today I will show you how to make peanut butter marshmallow Rice Krispie Squares, and so let's get started. Here are the amounts. Start by adding 1/3 cup of butter into a saucepan and melt it over medium heat. Then add 5 cups of marshmallows and continue heating until melted. Once that has melted, add 2/3 cup of peanut butter. Now then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then stir it together until it's really well incorporated. And once this is mixed together really well, then add 5 cups of Rice Krispies. Then mix those in until they're well coated. Then make sure that you grease your 9 by 13 inch pan. And then place the peanut butter Rice Krispie mixture into the pan and then spread it out evenly. Then you set this aside to set while you're waiting to melt your chocolate chips. Then you take a package of semi-sweet chocolate chips and melt them in the microwave just until they start to melt. Stir them to finish melting so you don't overdo it. And then you just pour it on top and spread it out evenly like this. Now set this aside to set in a cool place, and then cut and enjoy.